Across a broad range of industries, maintaining a continuous flow of material is essential to the smooth running of many manufacturing processes. Any form of material buildup or blockages in these processes represents a serious problem, which will undoubtedly result in expensive financial consequences. None more so than in the manufacture of cement. There are plenty of places in the cement processing line that are prone to rings, chokes and buildups. When throughput is hindered, clinker production will undoubtedly be reduced, deposits in preheaters and pre-calciners become a bottleneck, and eventually the whole plant or mill production either slows down or shuts down. It's a problem you don't want to put up with for long. It's a problem that demands a fast, efficient, safe and economic solution. That solution is cardox. No other method you're now using or thinking of using to eliminate rings, chokes and other buildups in your kiln operation are as effective as the cardox system. Within a matter of minutes, cardox can quickly remove buildups and restore plant production to optimum levels, without having to sit through extended shutdown periods while the kiln cools. Whilst other methods of build-up clearing may stop production for days on end while you cool, clean and reheat the kiln, cardox can be used in the kiln processing line at operating temperatures. Cardox outperforms any other method of removing rings and build-ups in kilns. While most air blaster systems are simply not man enough for the job, one cardox tube, with its safe, powerful blast of carbon dioxide, can remove approximately 3 tons of material right where you know where the buildup is. Indeed, 3 or 4 cardox tubes can have your kiln flowing to full capacity within minutes, with little or no downtime or heat-up costs. Other techniques to clear buildups in kilns, such as sending workers inside, can take as long as a week or more. You don't risk the lives of your workers when you use the cardox system. No one has to go inside the kiln, so there's no fear of prolonged exposure to high heat or contaminated air, and no danger of loosened material falling, causing injury or worse. When compared with other methods of clearing rotary kilns, cardox proves without doubt to be the most cost-effective because it takes only minutes to clear the buildup. By comparison, the high-velocity gun that fires steel projectiles at the buildup needs to fire thousands of them at a significant expense in addition to many hours of downtime. If air blasters are employed in areas of the processing line, not only are you looking at extremely high installation costs, but the day-to-day running costs can be very expensive too, especially on the maintenance side. Many cement plants also complain of the ineffectiveness of air blasters and report losses in efficiency of up to 75%, sometimes days after a full maintenance on the blasters. In comparison, the costs to install the cardox system are minimal, and the running costs are much less expensive than other methods. In addition, the cardox equipment can be used over and over for up to 20 years or more, without any loss in efficiency. The cardox system is based on the cardox tube, filled with liquid carbon dioxide exactly like a fire extinguisher, which fits neatly through pre-installed fixtures welded on the kiln right at the heart of where the ring or buildup occurs. Several strategically placed fixtures with locking plates allow the worker to pinpoint trouble spots. The cardox tube is activated by an electrical impulse from a small handheld activating unit. This causes the chemical energizer or safety heater to initiate and expand the liquid carbon dioxide inside the tube until it reaches the rupturing pressure of the shear disc. In less than 1 second, a rapid release of cold carbon dioxide gas produces a safe but powerful heaving force. The action is so swift that it refrigerates, reducing the temperature low enough to avoid ignition of any air-gas mixtures inside the kiln. The gas will not contaminate the product or the atmosphere. The discharged tubes are then simply replenished by replacing the safety heater and rupture disc and recharging with liquid carbon dioxide ready to be used again. The cardox system has become the leading ring and build-up clearing method in the world and is used in almost all European countries and on all continents. In some countries, it's the only system used, with many plants having used it for over 30 years. They found no better cost-effective solution for removing rings and build-ups. So if you're looking for a reliable, proven system to keep your kiln running, and you don't want to pay exorbitant prices to install and run it, you'll choose cardox, the fastest and most efficient kiln clearing method around. For further information, contact our offices now.